And welcome to Vlogmas week 2. This is going to be a long one, so make sure you're comfortable, you have a snack, and you're ready to go. Good morning, guys. It's Lindsay. So today I'm going to go to work right now, obviously, but I was thinking of going to Whole Foods for dinner. Because, like, I love going to Whole Foods for dinner because their salad bar and their hot bar is, like, the best thing ever. So, if I go, then I'm definitely going to take you guys with me. So, stay tuned. Alright, guys, change of plans. I was going to go to Whole Foods, but I just got off of work now. And I think I'm just going to go to McDonald's. I'm fucking hungry. And it's, like, 6 o'clock, and it's cold AF, and it's not snowing. It was snowing this morning, but it's not snowing now. And I'm walking to the shuttle. And yeah, I'm hungry. I'm so hungry, guys. You don't even know. Oh my god, waiting for this fucking drive-thru. I am so hungry, guys. Like, so hungry. I'm so hungry. Guys, you don't even understand how hungry I am. Like, I skipped lunch because I had a bagel this morning, so I wasn't like that hungry. And I think that was the worst idea ever because I am fucking hungry. Like, I'm hangry. I'm borderline hangry. Yep. Doesn't this look familiar? I'm getting off work again, guys. So you know the drill. Time to go find some food. But I went to McDonald's yesterday and I kind of like bought a lot of food because I was hungry. So I'm actually going to go home and eat my salad from McDonald's yesterday, which totally sounds gross, but whatever. It's really cold right now. I brought gloves because my steering wheel is leather and it's super cold to drive and like hold the steering wheel. So
breathing in the air tonight, 'cause I'm hoping we'll be feeling alright. Taking in this moment tonight, I'm hoping that this feeling is right.
surprise, surprise, guys. Guess where I'm at? Whole Foods. I wasn't planning on coming, but then I got hungry.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so it is Thursday morning and I am running hella late for work. I overslept. It is 8 o'clock. I am supposed to be at work at 6:45 and it is 8 o'clock now, so I'm super late. And it's really cool because I get to see the sun today. I've been working a lot lately, like 6 to 6. So when I go into work it's dark, and then when I leave work it's also dark. And so today's the first day I'm seeing the sun since Sunday, since I like last uploaded my video. And yeah, it's freezing cold. It's 37 degrees. My fingers are cold. The lady in the car next to me was staring at me. And hey everyone, Lindsay. I'm leaving work right now. It's a tad bit early, only because the forecast is it's supposed to snow tonight and I don't want to be caught driving while it's snowing. So I'm just gonna leave work 15 minutes early and hopefully get home before the snow hits. Hopefully it sticks though, so that tomorrow morning I could show you guys what the snow looks like. But then that also means that I can't drive and I have to take the bus to work tomorrow, which would suck. But yeah.
I wanna be the one for you.
Hey guys, I'm outside of my apartment and it's snowing. You can't really tell because, yeah, it's dark. It's snowing. It's so snowing. So much excite.
To the heavens above, I wanna be the one for you. I think I'll be the one for you. To hold you and to cherish you. I promise to the heavens above.
Good morning, guys. So today is Friday, yay! And actually, I am taking the train to work today. So I had to come down to my car to get my my badge and my gloves, since I'll be taking the train to make sure I have this stuff. Gloves, badge secured, and we're off to work. It's so cold. It's like, temperature wise it's technically not that cold, but because it snowed, oh yeah, it's raining right now. Gosh, it's currently drizzling. Can't see. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Breathing in the air tonight, 'cause I know we'll be.
Wow guys, so it was raining, but it's so cold that it's like snowing again. You can't really tell though, there. It's snowing again. Oh my god, this is so exciting.
Feeling alright, taking in this moment tonight. I'm hoping that this feeling is right. I wanna be the one for you. I think I'll be the one for you. To hold you and to cherish you. I promise to be heaven.
Open sleigh! Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Thank you for joining us this evening. We hope you had a wonderful time.
Depends.
The Bellevue Collection presents Snowflake Lane every night at 7 p.m. now through Christmas Eve. In just a few moments, we will be reopening Bellevue Way to cars. Please return to the sidewalks. Have a very merry holiday season from the Bellevue Collection.
To watch Snowflake Lane, and Nancy over here said it was 40 minutes, but it's like 7:20. You can if there is nearby. To be continued. I swear I thought it was like 40 minutes. Alright, so look at the snow! Oh, that's so aesthetic.
Ooh, look at the birthday girl.
Like this way?
Only like 2.5 weeks early.
1, 2, 3. I'm waiting for this person to like sit down. This is how old I am. Did you know Taylor Swift released a new song?
Yay, happy birthday.
Taylor Swift years.
Teaspoon
Thumbs up. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who? Okay.
Okay, you have to take your first bite. Oh wait, you have to
My
hold
first
the candle.
bite? Yeah, let me take my first bite before I blow the candle.
You have to hold the candle. Are we singing? Oh no. Okay. Make a wish.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Lindsay. Happy birthday to you. What? Okay.
Yay! Okay, now you have to try it.
Wait. I was about to take this big ass.
Yeah, do it. What is it?
Raspberry cake. In English terms.
Raspberry cake.
Here, let's take the candle out. It's like melting. Ready?
Yeah.
What's wrong? What is it? Wait, what exactly is it?
There you go.
You're like, gonna have the cream dripping on this. No, you have to put cream on it. I can't see. Here. Black bottle. No, I didn't recommend it.
Oh, who recommended
Thanks for
it?
dinner, guys!
You're welcome. Happy birthday, Lindsay.
How old you feel? I'm feeling 21 still.
Except,
couple weeks.
yeah, maybe you should do this vlog like in 3 weeks.
No, I must upload every Sunday. Must be dedicated. I have to try.
Promise to be heavens above.
Don't.
Allwire.com to check out the lyric video.
Okay.
Don't.
Well, I'm just gonna.
Would you like to share a blinky?
Ooh, it's like Christmas time. Hi guys, this is Christmas with the girls. Okay, let me take my seatbelt off. Merry Christmas.
And in today's episode,
Do you need more light?
Oh, and happy birthday, not just Merry Christmas.
Yes.
Or happy holidays. 'Cause not everyone
follow
celebrates.
Nubby Nancy at her social media.
Oh god damn. Is there anything on my nose?
You got some bats in the cave, girl.
Oh shit.
Breathing in the air tonight, 'cause I'm hoping we'll be feeling alright. Taking in this moment tonight, I'm hoping that this feeling is right. Yeah. Can you feel it in the air tonight? I'm thinking that our future is bright. We're taking on the stars in the sky, weaving ribbons around their head. I wanna be the one for you. Yeah. I wanna be the one for you. I think I'll be the one for you. To hold you and to cherish you. promise to the heavens above, I wanna be the one for you. I think I'll be the one for you, to hold and to cherish you. I promise to the heavens.
I'm currently in my mermaid tail. Look! It's like I'm swimming! Ah! So for my birthday, Nancy got me these Tsum Tsums to add to my car collection. Olaf here. We're gonna cut the tag. Let's see if I can. Oh. Ah. Okay, cut the tag off. Nancy keeps texting me. And then we have Sven. So let's cut the tag off. Oh. And then we have, he's not my favorite Marvel character, but it's Iron Man and it was a gift. So I'm not gonna give it away. But if I had to choose, I think, I don't know actually. I really like Captain America, but I just think it's because of the actor. Okay, we need to figure out where to put these. As you can see, my dash is full and the back is full. So we have a lot more lining the entire backside of my trunk too. So, but I'm gonna go drop something off to Nancy now because she left it at her house, and then go home, and we have to go to Costco, Winco, Target, and Dollar Tree. So there's a lot of stuff to do today. So I'm at Costco right now, and it's a freaking hot mess, and I'm trying to like watch my screen to see, you can't see, it's bright, to see if the car moves so that I can back out. But I just went in to get a membership and to get food. And now I'm gonna go to the mall to buy. Okay, so change of plans. I went to the mall and I circled around and looked for parking, but I couldn't find any parking because there's so many people. And then I found out that Forever 21 closed. The only reason I was going to the mall was to get an ugly Christmas sweater from Forever 21 because apparently they had a lot of cute Christmas sweaters. So now we're gonna go to Dollar Tree, and then Target, and then Winco, and then home. Home. Christmas! I ended up going to Winco to buy some groceries to make cookies, and I'm gonna be making Hershey's Kisses crinkle cookies, and I saw this on Pinterest. But then I went to Winco and got all the ingredients to make these crinkle cookies, and I'm excited because the last time I baked cookies, they came out like bread. So I really hate grocery shopping, but what I really love about Winco is that I can buy things in bulk, meaning I don't have to commit to like a whole bag of like flour or something. I can just buy like a bag of flour depending on how much I need. And I always have to get chocolate covered gummy bears. Those are my favorite. But I thought it would be easy for me to get, you know, like baking powder, which is something that I'm not too sure if I have. And long and behold, I have a whole jar. But it's okay because this baking powder only came out to like 60 cents or something. So it's totally worth it if you have a grocery store that sells things in bulk. I would recommend shopping that way versus buying like a whole bag. So like this deal though, this was really cheap. It was only like $1 for this. And it's obviously over a pound. And usually in the bulk food section, they charge per pound. So like I bought this whole bag of cereal because I don't want to commit to a whole box of cereal because I know I can't finish it. But I know like I can portion out how much I'm going to eat and like, oh, you know, yeah, stuff like that. But anyways, it's really nice, especially for spices. Like this is nutmeg, which if you were to buy a whole jar, it can be like $7. But I only bought like just a little, and this was only like 16 cents. So if you have a bulk food section at your grocery store, I definitely recommend it. So for dinner today, I have a garden salad with honey mustard dressing and some ahi tuna poke, my favorite. And I'm watching Harry Potter. I'm gonna eat dinner, and then I'll see you guys in the next clip for baking cookies. Yay! Alright, so I got all my ingredients here to make my peppermint crinkle cookies. And I'm actually going to be using these Kisses. It's white milk chocolate with almonds, peppermint, and what is this? Kisses milk chocolate hugged by white cream. I thought it'd be nice to kind of change it up. And I'm actually not going to be making peppermint chocolate cookies. They're just going to be chocolate cookies. Just in case people don't like peppermint, I want to give them the option. Okay guys, so I thought I had enough sugar to make these stupid cookies, but I only have like less than a half cup of sugar, so I have to go to the store and buy sugar. And you know, when I was at Winco, I was like, I don't think I need sugar. I should have freaking bought sugar. Okay, I'm back home now, and it's really bright. Okay, so typical Lindsay fashion, I can never go to the store and buy one thing. I had to buy everything. So I just picked up a couple stuff that I forgot to get earlier from Target that I wanted to get, which was like little goodies for work, because next week, like I said, I'm huddle leader, and we always try to make it fun and have brain teasers. And so what I wanted to do was like a Christmas trivia, and then if they won, they would either get one of these, or where the hell did she put it? One of these. And I thought it was just super cute, and it's really small. It was only $1, so I thought, why not do 2 a day? So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go bake my cookies now, and I'll get to you guys later. I really hate myself right now. So the recipe calls for vanilla extract and peppermint oil or extract, but I wasn't planning on putting peppermint. I was just gonna do vanilla. And I thought, oh, we should have some vanilla extract at the house. I should have checked before I left. There is no vanilla extract. And I am not about to leave my house again to go get vanilla, because it is 10 o'clock and I left at 9:20, and it took me like 30 minutes to do this shit. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. So I think to improvise, I'm just gonna add some brown sugar and hope that this will just give it a little bit more kick. I also put in some cinnamon. I'm gonna put some nutmeg, so hopefully that'll give it some flavor, but fuck! I totally messed up. Look at these Pinterest-worthy babies. Well guys, that's it for this week's vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry it's so long. If you don't mind it being long, please be sure to comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more vlogs and other random content. I also do travel videos if you haven't seen those, so please check them out, and I'll see you guys next week.